Hi everybody, this is Jamie with That's Incredible, and today I am here by request to show you how to make a quick and easy Mother's Day card since Mother's Day is just 2 days away. All we will need for this project is a sheet of white cardstock. This is 8.5 by 11, and then I have 2 sheets of red cardstock by Paper Studio. This cardstock I think I got at Walmart. It's just a generic brand. And a Sharpie, some liquid glue, some scissors, and a pencil. And some ribbon for a little bit later, but we'll get to that. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I am going to use this red cardstock here, and this is going to be my card base. Now I'm going to make a bigger size card. This card is going to be half a sheet of paper. So this is 5.5 by 8.5. And then I'm going to use my white cardstock, and I'm going to cut a piece that is 5 by 8. So 5 inches this way, and then 8 inches this way. And I'm going to go ahead and glue that down with my liquid adhesive. Now when you're using liquid adhesive, make sure you don't use too much because your paper will wrinkle and you will not be happy. So be very sparing with the liquid glue. Alright, so this is the front of my card. So just like that. Now at the bottom, I'm going to write that way I have left space for that, and I make sure not to cover that up. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to set this to the side, and I'm going to get my other piece of red paper here, and I am going to cut 7 heart shapes from this paper. So I'm going to fold my paper in half, and I'm just going to cut this excess off. And we'll see how many hearts I can get from this folded piece. Now I want my hearts to be different sizes. Now you can choose to draw your half a heart with pencil, and then now I'll trace it with marker so that it is easier for you to see on camera. Okay? And then I'll go ahead and I will cut that out. Okay, so there's my first heart. So I'll go ahead and draw a few more on here, and I will go ahead and cut those out. Now I know this is not my typical card, but I had some kids at school request for me to do a Mother's Day card, so I had to think of things that they might have at home so that they would be able to make their moms a nice Mother's Day card. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to take this other piece here. I'm going to draw a couple more hearts here. 5, 6. Go ahead and cut those out. Now remember, when you're cutting, you move the paper and not the scissors. Okay, that heart's kind of funky shape, so I'm going to go ahead and try and fix it. And if it doesn't work out, I'll just throw it away and start over. Oh, that's a little bit better. So now I have 6 hearts, and I think I want 7. So I'm going to just do one more. Go ahead and draw that. Now if you're not comfortable drawing a half a heart, do it in pencil first to make sure that you like what you drew. Okay? Got a little funny scissor mark there, so I'll fix that up. Alright, there we go. Now with my Sharpie, I'm going to just draw a nice little line around each heart to give it some dimension. There we go. And you can use any color of paper. You don't have to have red. I just happen to have red handy. There we go. And one more here. Alright, so I have all those done. Now I'm going to take the side of my pencil and I'm going to just kind of roll these hearts out a little. Any pencil will work. Or round. You could use like the barrel of a marker or a pen. I just want to give them a little shape with the edge of my pencil there, so they'll look like they're popping off the card. Like this. There we go. Alright, quick and easy. We are just about done. Now here's my card base, and I'm going to take and glue my hearts down, but I'm only going to glue down the center here. I'm going to kind of lay these out to see how I want them to. I think I like that. Go ahead and glue the rest of those down. Now remember, just in the center, so those hearts will look like they're coming off of your card. There we go. Now with my permanent marker, I am going to take and draw some strings coming off of my hearts. And meeting at the bottom. I'm going to fold this over so I can get my line down there. Go ahead and draw that out. And then to finish it off, I will get some ribbon. All right, here is some pretty red ribbon. And tie it in a nice little bow. Take a little dot of your adhesive there. And then I'm going to trim my edges of my bow so they're not so long. Oops, there we go. And voila! A quick and easy Mother's Day card that you can do at home, and then you can write a special message on the inside. There you are. I hope you like my video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Have a great day, because that's incredible.